Well, good morning. It's great to see you, and welcome back to the basement shop, where yesterday we started a decluttering process and we made some pretty good progress. We cleared off this bench, cleaned off underneath here, got rid of a bunch of stuff, got rid of a bunch of trash, and we're going to continue on without much ado here, cleaning up this stuff here, making sense of some of this stuff, and working our way around as we said we would. So let's get into it. This is all Christmas stuff, and it goes under the stairs here. So let me get rid of some of this stuff. Yeah, that's the problem with decluttering, is you got to move other stuff to put the stuff where it's supposed to go, and it tends to take a while. I mean, like why do I have that? I don't know. By the way, I'm going to put a link in the description to the video of yesterday's cleanup. So if you're curious about how that went, check out the link and check out that video. We made some pretty good progress, but it took all day, so that's why we split this up into a couple of different videos. Hopefully we can get a little farther along today, maybe even finish this project up. We'll see. In the meantime, let's keep tackling this stuff. The amount of use that we get out of this, I really don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze. I think this is Christmas stuff too. Yep, more of the same. More garbage. Seem to have lots of lids for plastic containers. Yeah, look at that. There's even more lids under there, way under there. This is some kids stuff, some Thomas the Train from when the kids were little. We've got more stuff there. We may combine all of that. This stuff has to go. You know, home decoration stuff. I'm going to put this with the Christmas decorations. I think I can get rid of these things. We're going to put that out on the curb. Well, we're getting there. All right, well, we may as well tackle the rest of this. Yeah, that's going to go right there. Okay, that actually looks halfway organized. Wow. What else do we have here? That's just junk. We've got a bunch of clothes hangers here. In here, there's something still wrapped up here. And then there's a tutu or something here. So they've got various different kids' toys. We're going to start putting it on this shelf here so we kind of have it all in one place. And it looks like this is just more containers, so we've got plenty of containers to put stuff in. What do we have here? Some more kids stuff. Looks like, but we'll keep that. Kids' toys mostly. We'll put that up on this shelf. And looks like Halloween costumes. Kids stuff toys, original package, so we'll put that up here. The puzzles and some other stuff here. I'm just going to organize this stuff a little bit, but at least we can get at it and see what we've got. I know exactly where to put this guy right now. There. That looks good. I'll put this under here. What is this? I'm gonna go up here because it won't fit down there. All right, we got the Thomas the Train stuff all together here. Put this up here, and next thing I know, we'll tackle the JJ the jet plane stuff, I guess. What is this? I think, I don't know if that's Melissa and Doug or something else, but you know, put it up on the shelf over here. Some kind of nativity scene and some advent calendars, play school advent calendars. It kind of all goes together. We'll see if I can't find a big tub to put that in, and then I'll find a tub to put this JJ the jet plane stuff into. Looks like we got some kind of coloring books still in the plastic, so those should be good. And again, we'll try to find a home for that somewhere. All right, that stuff. All this JJ the jet plane stuff in one container. I think I can just make it fit like this. Maybe. There we go. And then this just goes right like that. More empty boxes. That's an easy decision to make. Okay, that looks a lot better than all that stuff that was piled there. We've got everything that was here piled this high, either taken out to the garbage to be put out with a trash day, or put into bins or consolidated into bins that make some kind of sense, so everything's sort of related to each other. And we can see into most of those bins, so we kind of know what they are. We don't even really have to label them. But the rest of this is pretty much done. It's time to kind of move our attention back here, take care of this screen, organize some of these stains onto one shelf, and then deal with this stuff. So let's start with this. We'll get the screen out of here. What we've got here are just a number of boxes from a Christmas many decades ago. These are tie boxes, and apparently I needed a lot of ties, so these are going to go in the trash, and this is going to go out to my outside workshop and be repaired. In fact, we could probably use this to repair it with, so we'll take that along with us. All right, we'll use this and we'll repair this and maybe make a video of doing that, in the next couple of days. And then the place for this isn't in the basement or out here in the shop, but back in the window that it came out of. That's the best place for those. So we'll fix that. We'll put that away. And like I said, keep your eye out for video. We might do a quick video on how to fix one of those, but it's pretty elementary. So looking forward to doing that. But first, we got to get back down in the basement workshop and finish that up. So let's go. This stuff, gosh, we probably haven't used this in forever. Maybe never. This might have been a giveaway at some point. Some golf outing or something like that. I don't know that we ever used this or ever need to. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. But, to me, it's just not worth keeping around. This is the kind of stuff that just clogs up and clutters up counters and cupboards and shelves like this. We're going to take this stuff and throw it out. That's an executive decision on my part. And then we'll clean this mess up down here, straighten it up, and then clean up this stuff here. And we're getting down to it. It's slowly coming together. What we have here is an old humidifier for when the kids were little. I doubt that even works anymore. That is not even worth cleaning. I am going to take that right out to the trash. In there. Take a look at this lamp. It's been a while since we've used that. We've got to clean that up, but I think we'll keep that. We'll put it over here for right now. I can't remember if there's anything wrong with these lamps, and I was supposed to fix them at some time, but never got around to it because this shop was such a mess. And I just kind of put them aside, or whether we can just plug and play with these. I guess we'll find out. We got this lamp here and these lampshades that were underneath the bench. So put all this stuff over here for now. Again, this is the advantage of having a beachhead, someplace we can put stuff, or we'll clean the place out that it's gonna go. This is just a mess back here. A couple of more container lids. God, we got a lot of container lids. And this stuff is just old tile that I'm gonna put, no, I'm not gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it up here where I can see it. Probably never use this for anything. In case you haven't noticed, and to be honest, I hadn't really noticed either, we seem to have transitioned from more of a declutter and get rid of stuff to a more of a cleaning and organizing phase, which is a good sign, I guess. We're making some progress. We've gotten rid of most of the stuff I think that we're probably going to get rid of, and now it's just a matter of making sense of what's left. Okay, now that we've got that more or less straightened up and we've made some space, we can start working on this. And what I'm going to do is move what I can over here temporarily and
clean this stuff off, maybe go through some things and get rid of a couple of things that we don't need. But mostly we're done with the getting rid of stuff. It's more about organizing. And I'm going to take this stuff off, clean the shelves, you know, wipe the cobwebs off of stuff, and put it back in some sort of semblance of order. And that's what we're going to do. So let's do that. Okay, looks like an exercise mat, some extra miscellaneous stuff. Garbage. This is garbage. What is this? Some kind of calendar? Here. And then these are just empty boxes that, you know, are always good for wrapping stuff up in, although some you kind of go with wrapping stuff up. These down. This down here for right now. This is a storyboard or something. Okay, I got these shelves all cleaned off. I got a couple of these containers down here. The containers are holding containers, so we know that we've got containers here. This is the spot for that right now, and we're going to start moving this stuff back. I'm not going to put this stuff up high. I'm going to put it down here where we can see it and get to it. So we'll just start with that. I think sometimes, you know, you put stuff out of sight and, you know, it's out of mind, that old saying. So what else do we have? We got this. We got this that goes with this stuff here. And then, oh yeah, we've got this a storybook, so we'll put it right there. And then we've got some container boxes. This right here. We don't necessarily want to get rid of that at this point. We're just gonna put here. Actually, this is something we can put up high. There. All right, so that turned out well. It's a lot better than it used to be. Take a look at this stuff here. A lot more organized there. So we got quite a bit accomplished today. We took care of all of this stuff. I don't know if you remember, it was piled up with just junk here, and we got rid of a bunch of stuff, organized it all so that we've got everything in bins. I'm going to try to move slowly here so we can take a look at all of this. All the way down there. And then we moved back here. Did this, took care of this, cleaned these shelves off. Got rid of a bunch of stuff that was in the corner there. Then we moved over here and took care of this. Got rid of a bunch of stuff. Actually, we didn't get rid of a whole lot of stuff. We just sort of reorganized this so that we know what we've got. Tomorrow we'll get started on this. So with that said, I think this is a good time to end this segment. Just trying to keep this video to a reasonable 10 to 15 minutes. We're bumping up against that again, so we're going to call it here. And then tomorrow we'll get to this last little bit here. We're going to have to throw a bunch of stuff out, do some organizing. That shouldn't take too long. And then we've got a bit of a surprise for an idea that I've got for the floor, just to kind of jazz things up here a little bit. So stick around for that. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do that so you don't miss this next segment that's coming up. This looks great. Thanks for helping. We'll see you in the next one.